Top 10, top 9, top 8, hanggang sa papunta ako sa top 5. Nagulat na lang ako nung sabi ko kasama ba ako dito, and na-expect ko si MJ, ang isa sa mga kapasok. Sabi ko na lang noon, siguro decision na rin ng mga judges yun. Na-discover namin na isa pala doon sa mga bahay ay yun ang paggawaan ni Sir Georgie. Nakakatuwa.
Hi, sir.
Welcome to my atelier, designer. Please come in. So, designers, for your final challenge, you will create a high-fashion ensemble for the L'Oreal Paris woman, as embodied by its new endorser, Miss Lucy Torres Gomez. Of course, this will be done with some works of Filipino masters as inspiration.
Gagawa daw kami ng high fashion design, haute couture, French, out of dun sa makikita namin mga designs to all, mga paintings. Kuha kami ng inspiration doon, and then gagawin namin siya design for Miss Lucy Torres. Naloka ako kasi sabi ko, oh God, first time kong gagawa sa isang celebrity, if ever man, na magustuhan nila. Ang inspiration ko doon is like a fireball. Tapos may mga details siya na mga pilog-pilog, gano'n. So, doon ako nag-focus. Sabi ko, may lugar pa ba ako dito? Ayun, so sabi ko na lang, inisip ko na lang, bahala na.
Alam mo, parang malabinaw. So, ano pa kayo dadagdag ko sa'yo? Mag-isip ka.
What if magdagdag pa po ako na sinakaganto, sir?
Tawag ko sa'yo. Ikaw.
Para ko sa po may mga gagaling po dito na ibagat. Manipis lang po siya.
Oo, ba't mag-google lang?
Ano po siya pwede mag-open up?
Hindi naman, pwede naman. Bahala ka naman doon.
Sige, sir.
Nung marampa na yung model ko doon sa runway, sabi ko, feeling ko ako na talaga matatanggal. Ako na to.
Black and white is always a very sophisticated and stunning combination. But considering that the brief, like Tweety said, was high fashion, I think this fell short, really.
Well, I'm sorry. We won't be seeing you in the final runway. That means you're out.
Nung nalaman ko na 4 pa lang natira, ay, nakakapanghinayang. Sabi ko, sana ginawa na lang 5.
And well, congratulations. We'll see you in the finale. Cheetah, congratulations. You are the winner of this challenge. That means we will be seeing you on the final runway. Milka, you're in. Congratulations. Now, despite your shortcomings, you deserve to be in the finale. Congratulations. Let me tell you that for the first time in Project Runway Philippines, we defied the practice of choosing just 3 finalists. This is only because all 4 of you deserve to be on the final runway. Congratulations. Congratulations, Anna. Congratulations, Nell. I'm sorry if I held the suspense too long. Congrats, Milka. Congrats, Cheetah. Stop crying. Prove to us. Okay? I know that you're all good friends at this point, but let me remind you never to lose focus. One of you the winner of Project Runway Philippines Season 3.
Project Runway Philippines Season 3, I must say, is a big improvement, and it's really bigger and better.
It's something remarkable.
I think it's the best season so far.
My greatest achievement in this competition, hindi ito yung corona na Project Runway Philippines. Ito yung bumalik yung self-confidence ko.
Was Project Runway a learning experience for me? Without a question, are you kidding me? I learned a lot from this competition. But I think Project Runway has done a lot in adding a customer fiber and building my name. Excuse me. Can I be the one to be out?
Ano, kanina ako umiinom. Sabi sa papakaramdam ko.
Season 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm hoping very soon that there's just going to be a wave of chic individuals who would come and see me, despite my attitude. Now, I have no other choice but to make my own establishment. So, if fashion won't like me, then I'll create my own fashion.
Siguro sa mga aspiring designers, parang always ask yourself na lang if you really wanna do it. Kasi designing is, you know, it's a serious matter, and fashion is not always glamorous.
Coming up on Project Runway Philippines.
Sorry. Bakit nagkaga walking banana from the back?
Ginawa niyo daw buha pa kayo.
How have you all been? It's great to see you again. Welcome to the reunion episode.
One day you're in, the next day you're in again.
We pose a question to all of you. Who do you think should win Project Runway Philippines Season 3?